Hello, how are you doing? Teacher Keith here, coming to you live. Uh, this lesson is called What is the Difference Between Jing Li, Jing Yan, and Tian? Okay, so let's look here at Jing Li. We have first tone and fourth tone. Jing Li, Jing Li, Jing Li, Jing Li. Um, Okay, so what do you think of when you think of the word Jing? Yes, if you're like me, you think of Jingguo, to pass or to go through. Okay, so let me ask you this question. What do you think of when you think of the word Li? Li. Yes, you will think of uh, history. Li Shi. Li Shi. Okay, so now let's put them together. So we have to pass and history. So we have passed through some history. Uh, Maybe you met a friend or uh, uh, you went to China. Just there's no emotion to it. You just went there, and that's all we're going to talk about. Okay, so that is Jing Li. All right, now let's talk about um, Jing Yan. Jing Yan. Okay? All right, so again, what do you think of when you think of Jing? Right. Jing, Jing Go. To pass or to go through. Okay? Um, Now, what do you think of when you think of yen? Yen. Okay? Yen is going to be experiment. 是yen. 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 Okay? So again, we have 是 yen. So we have you have passed through an experiment. All right, so this is Jing Yan. All right, um, so you've had the experience and you have gone through this experience. So this would be like I have been to China and I have some travel tips. I experienced Shanghai. I experienced the Buxingye, the walking street. Uh, I experienced the mountains in the west. I experienced the crowdedness of Hong Kong. Right, so that is an experience. Maybe you have tips on the experience. Whereas Jing Li, you're not going to necessarily give those tips. You just say it happened. All right. Okay, so that is essentially what I just said. And then we have um, T yen. T yen. T yen. T yen. T yen. All right, so um, what do you think of when you think of T? You probably think of the body. Shen Ti, Shen Ti, Shen Ti, Shen Ti. Okay, so um, and then one more time, what do you think of when you think of yen? Okay, so yen is going to be experiment. Again, 是 yen. So the body has went through an experiment. Okay, so let's talk about some uh, sensual experiments you go through in life. Maybe a massage, maybe scuba diving, maybe cliff diving. Okay, so this again is going to be T yen. T yen. Okay, so uh, all right, so summary. Remember, uh, Jing Li is your story or your history. All right. Uh, Jing Yan is the knowledge that you gained. Um, did that knowledge change your life? Did you just gain that knowledge and move on? Okay. And then we have Ti Yan. Ti Yan is the physical sensation, like skydiving. Okay. So, uh, that is all. Give me a like, smash me a subscribe. Zaijian.